Guess who's back? Oh, man. First off, I want to start by saying this is gonna be day two of cleaning, restoring the Concord 11s. But I'm sitting down, I'm tripping. But I got another customer. Got some more heat, man. We got 2 duffel bags full of that work, as you can see. 2 duffel bags. Now go and get your money, little duffel bag boy. Started back working out this week. That sucked because I still had to go to work. And work, like I said, be kicking my ass. But right now, get to these 11. They already prepped. I already removed the old glue. So I'm gonna be gluing these bad boys. Gonna see if we can get these finished today. Yes, sir. As you can see, damn, 3 pieces. Last time y'all seen these, what color they was? If you forgot, they was this color. Last time you seen this, it was this color. So let's get to it. First, what I like to do, I like to size these boys up first. Which one I'm gonna do? I could do this joint like that. So I don't know if y'all know, but the midsole got a lot of wrinkles and whatever. Cause the niggas be heavy. It is what it is, niggas be heavy. And I'm gonna show y'all how to get that out. But let's get the gluing. So first, I'm gonna glue the midsole to the upper, and I'm just gonna prep this. Gotta prep them all, right? First, we're gonna prep everything. Well, it's already prepped. First, we're gonna apply the glue and go ahead and let it sit for about 7 to 8 minutes. Usually, oh, this is some good new glue too. Usually, between that 7 or 8 minutes, I go jack off. It's the end of the day. I ain't had no shower, so I'ma chill, just get in the bed. Damn, this glue dropping like a mother. Now, I would recommend, this ain't no how to, but I would recommend that you tape off the sides. I've been doing this for about 5 years now, so I'm something like a pro. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't putting no tape around the edges. I'm just gonna freehand it because I know what I'm doing. Take your time. Restoring shoes, bro, the main thing is to take your time. It ain't no reason to ever be in a rush. Don't let these customers rush you. Because when you rush and fuck up, they're going to be complaining, talking about your work, talking about how you fucked their shoes up. Don't rush. Don't let them rush you into messing their shoes up. Now you owe them money and you're giving yourself a bad rep. Rome wasn't built in a day. Some of this stuff take time. Now, granted, there's some people that's way faster than others. I'm not that fast. I'm slow. I'm a perfectionist. That's why. I'm going to take my time to get it right the first time. Because it was a time where I thought I knew what I was doing. But I rushed through the process. And when you rush through that process, anything can happen. I don't care how long you've been doing it. Anything can happen. And now you got to buy this customer a whole new shoe. Like, I got an example, man. I think I cleaned some fake products because usually they don't bleed. I cleaned them joints. They bled. I fixed them back up, but the customer complained. So to save my name, my brand, I ain't really got too many bad reviews. Can't please everybody. I bought him the shoe. Come to find out, they had to be fake. Because he didn't even want the shoe, he wanted the money. Now, I'm not handing you no money, bro. Don't work like that. All right, we back. It's been about 10 minutes. I hope y'all can't hear. Man, this mug watching Dub Family. That boy Dub, funny as hell. The nigga living a life that I would love to live somewhat. But all I'm doing is lining these mugs up. The glue is somewhat dry right now. So I just got to see if it's going to fit in, which it definitely is. Going to be a good fit. You on the 11s, 10s and 11s, you have to line up. Damn near perfect. And all the time, they are really stubborn to line up. Sometimes they don't line up. You just got to deal with it. Sometimes they be overstretched, and it just is what it is. You just hit it with some paint, man. Just hope that you can match that paint, because I ain't gonna lie, they be impossible sometimes. But this one is actually doing pretty good. The key is to take your time, bro. Take your time. So sometimes you might have the gaps. I got gaps right here. That's when you go back in, just fill it in. This part is gapping a little bit. This is gonna help. When I glue this on, it's gonna help close that up. Not gonna be a problem. And a lot of the times, you can get you some tape, tape that joint down, you'll be good. You might not be able to tell on camera, so I'm not gonna do all that right now. Now, gotta apply glue to the bottom, so I can get this on here. We're gonna wait another 7 to 8 minutes. If you thought it was a game, you thought it was, I know you see it before, it's the before, it's all dusty. brown before. If you don't believe me, just watch. You see the dirty shoestrings? It's not made up. This is real. You see it? You see that pattern of the out of there? You see that cloth? This is not a drill. You hear me? I really do this shit. Really do. You see that shine on that toe box? Now I still got some parts to go over as far as the reglue, but there you go. I really do this shit. Really popping my shit.